Alright. How's it going, YouTube? Juxta here. Going to continue the Wings of Liberty campaign up to, I think it's the 16th mission, Engine of Destruction. Let's do it.
Our team's in position. We're ready to steal the Odin. Are you absolutely sure about this, sir?
Yep. Tychus is definitely our best man for this kind of job.
He does get a little excited in combat. We're gonna need to keep up with him once the fighting starts.
If he can actually commandeer the Odin, it's vital that we take out all the Dominion bases in the area. Hopefully we can block all transmissions long enough for him to do that. We can't risk word of this getting back to Korhal.
How much do we know about this Odin?
It's an experimental super-heavy siege walker designed for prolonged frontline combat. Very powerful.
Great. Even Tychus can't wreck it then.
Here they go.
Go, go, go!
I'm sure Tychus can find a way to wreck it. It's just in his nature. I can control Tychus? No, I can't. Okay.
Go, go, go!
This ain't a stealth mission anymore, ladies.
Bring it loud and fast.
Why not?
I'm on it.
That's fine.
You got it. This better be good.
We're not here to hurt the scientists.
Gangway, come on.
Activate the auto turrets!
Oh, you ain't keeping me from that monster.
Been waiting on you. By the numbers, boys. Orders received.
Sure.
Affirmative. Of course.
Alright, now here we go. It's assembling itself.
Hot damn. I can't wait to get inside that thing and tear this place up.
Hold your position, Tychus. Let us get a support force up there to cover you.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
Damn it, Tychus. Stand down. Can you read me?
He's got it stuck on transmit, sir. He can't hear us at all. Defenses are coming online at the Dominion bases.
Wonderful. Get our base set up ASAP. We'll just have to follow him in and hope he doesn't get too crazy. Who am I kidding?
This better be. SCV ready. Oh yeah.
We're gonna send one down to get this.
You gonna give me orders? Been waiting on you. Aye, aye, sir. What's going on? SCV ready.
Definitely click there.
Sir, I'm picking up Dominion battle cruisers on an intercept course with the Odin.
Hey, Hotshot, you want these Wraith fighters now? They'll take down a battlecruiser easy. You can build more at a starport.
Sir, you seem to have found something very interesting there. If you can bring me a sample in the lab, that would be great.
So, this better be good. Who won? Been waiting on you. SCV ready.
Standing by.
Been waiting on you.
Transmit coordinates.
Alright, now we can double up on everything. Good as.
Go ahead, Command.
This better.
So what's the plan now, Commander? Trash them bases, right?
SCV ready.
Jimmy? Partner? Can you hear me?
Ah! He's getting...
Well, if you You ain't gonna tell me not to have a little fun. I'm gonna have a little fun. Oh, here I go.
Sure thing. SCV ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
Oh, you want some of this? Boom.
This is just for defense for the moment anyway.
Need something blown up? On my way.
By the numbers, who wants some?
Where does it hurt? Our allies are being attacked.
So them.
Reporting in.
Our allies are being attacked.
Let's see what this baby's got.
Armed and ready. We hear you.
Is it critical?
Been waiting.
150? Yeah.
Insufficient Vespene
Ah,
gas.
but no gas.
Go ahead.
Our allies are being attacked.
This better be
Let
good.
him take his time destroying that. We don't have to
Add-on
help him with that.
complete.
Just got to keep him alive, 'cause he does a lot of damage anyway.
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me!
Our allies are being attacked.
Ready to roll out.
SCV ready. Armed and gangway.
He'll be
Coming
fine.
through. You gonna ripple? This better be good. This better. You want a piece? SCV ready. You gonna
Our allies are being attacked.
transmit coordinates. Who wants this better? Armed, been waiting. SCV ready.
Man, I need
Where's the
SCVs to
150
fix some of this
Vikings?
damage. Starting to feel a mite sluggish.
Does he always talk this much, sir?
Yeah, but once you get him in a fight, he never shuts up.
Well, now that's done with. I'm gonna take me a little break. Good thing I brought me some liquid refreshment.
Well, butter my biscuit.
Fueled up, ready to go.
Now that hit the spot, there's nothing like knocking back a cold one on top of your enemy's smoking corpses.
Ah! You scared me! You can... You want a piece of me, boy? Been waiting this better. You've been reporting in. Big job. This better.
I can't wait no longer. Here it comes.
Been
I see your little guys running around down there, Jimmy. They look like ants.
It's about to get heavy. Oh, yeah. By the numbers, boys.
Give us your best shot. It's all me. What's that?
Transmit. Go ahead.
Ready to roll out.
Standing by. By the numbers, boys.
in. Okay. Flashy red button.
Uh-oh.
Boom, baby. Damn. Oh, that is hot. Whoa, they're all over me. Transmit coordinates.
Our
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Roger. This better. Reporting.
You gonna give me orders?
Reckon you boys need some time to catch up. Good old Tychus be right here taking it easy.
Tom.
Just wake me up when you're all ready. I reckon this moment ought to do it.
This.
Oh, there's the other one.
You gonna give me orders? Who wants some? We could use some help here.
Oh, what the hell? Oh,
I have no idea what that is. Can you bring me a sample in the lab? Maybe something good will come of it.
Don't leave me. Who wants some? You gonna in the rear with the geese. I'm in deep.
Transmit.
What's that?
This. You gonna get
Go ahead, Command. Rock.
by the numbers, boys. This better be good.
additional supply depots required.
Come on, Jimmy. We got heads to break.
Right.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Insufficient Vespene gas.
Go, go, go!
You want some of this?
Let's go!
By the numbers, this way.
Transmit.
Go ahead.
Fueled up, ready to go!
Our allies are being not enough energy.
It's on.
Explorer reporting.
Ready to roll out!
Time to kick ass and chew bubblegum.
uh-oh. Too close.
Standing by. Standing by. Boom, baby. Standing by.
Been waiting.
Go.
Load up!
Reporting in. Coordinates received.
Where's the Loki? I've got to find that thing.
Armed and ready.
Our allies are being attacked. Mineral field depleted.
By the been waiting on you. Been waiting on gangway. Coming through.
Target systems prime.
Upgrade. Our allies are being attacked.
Big job, huh?
Uh-oh.
Armed? Huh? This better be good.
Let's go!
Three bases down. Maybe the convict has his uses after all.
In the rear with the gear. Who wants some?
You know, I think I'll take me another breather. You better get some backup ready for me, Jimmy.
By the numbers, boys. Mid-coordinates.
Got no patience. Sitting around.
Go ahead, Command.
You reckon these Dominion boys will put up a fight this time? I ain't barely broke a sweat.
What's our target?
Upgrade complete.
Who wants? This better be good.
Where?
Standing by.
We transmit.
Speak up.
Somebody, get me out of this mess.
Transmit orders.
Transmit coordinates.
Receiving headquarters. Greetings, Command. I can't wait to dig into that. Scientifically, I mean. I'm not going to eat it.
Here we go. I'm hitting my stride now.
Read the waiting orders.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Our allies are being attacked.
What's that?
You want a piece of me, boy?
Mineral field depleted.
All right, bring it on. By the numbers, boys.
Affirmative, sir. Transmit orders. Let's roll.
Who wants some? Rate the waiting orders. All right, bring it on.
Greetings. Commencing.
Jesus, we got tanks here.
Affirmative, sir. Let's roll.
Go, go, go!
Excellent.
All right.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Upgrade complete.
You want some of this?
Bring it on.
I don't know where the Loki is, and that actually built. Jeez.
Big job, huh?
Our allies are being attacked.
Somebody, get me out of this mess.
Not enough energy. Our allies are being attacked.
SCV ready.
Commencing. Let's roll.
Time to kick ass and chew bubblegum.
It's this guy here.
Excellent.
Transmit coordinates.
Give us your best.
Whoa, they're all over me. Coming through.
Our allies are being attacked. Insufficient Vespene gas.
Who wants some?
What's that?
Our SCVs are under attack.
Greetings, Command. Excellent.
Armed and ready.
Our allies are being attacked.
All right, bring it on.
Mineral field depleted.
We have you on visual.
Transmit orders.
You want a piece of me, boy? I'm in a pickle! All right, bring it on. Rate the waiting orders.
Mineral field depleted.
Excellent. Affirmative, sir. Let's roll.
I think the Loki might be maybe down here. Maybe not. I don't know
All
actually.
right, bring it on.
Our allies are being attacked.
Commencing.
In the rear with the gear. Want a piece of me, boy?
Affirmative, sir.
All right, bring it on. Rate the waiting orders.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
This is gonna get tricky. I'm detecting battle cruisers at the next base, and the Odin doesn't have strong anti-air capabilities.
Scramble more wraiths from the starport. We have enough. We can handle those battle cruisers.
Now that was fun. Don't worry, old buddy. I'll give you some time to catch up. Well, I'll be. Those Dominion eggheads really thought of everything. Pardon me a moment.
I'll give it my best shot.
Rate the waiting orders.
Excellent.
Definite.
There we go. You ready yet?
You can use some help here.
Let's roll.
I can't find the Loki. The map's not exactly big. I still can't fucking see it. God.
What's going on, huh?
Not enough energy.
Affirmative, sir.
Bad news? Roger.
Transmit orders.
Vespene geyser exhausted.
Ready to roll out.
Gangway. Rate the waiting
You're
order.
reading this, Jimmy, because I'm heading for the last base now.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Our allies are being attacked.
Go, go, go. In the rear.
We have you on visual. Receiving.
Mineral field depleted.
Let's roll. Transmit orders.
The Odin is in range. Fire the Yamato cannon.
Now that ain't fair.
We have you on visual.
Upgrade complete.
Greetings, Command.
Go ahead.
Boom, baby.
Let's roll.
Yeah, them best.
Receiving headquarters.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Move it.
Hello there. Now, how'd I miss this button with a skull on it?
Oh man, this must be the nuke. It's the nuke. Guys, get the F out of there.
Oh, baby, you're in for a world of pain.
Excellent. With the Odin secured, we can hit the UNN complex on Core Hall and make our broadcast.
Hey, you hear me, Captain? Maybe next time you'll trust old Tychus with a little bit of mayhem.
That's about all I trust you with, Tychus.
Well, I did find all the Devourer tissue, but I did not find the Loki. So I think I failed that bit a little bit. Don't let the Odin drop below 30% of its life. I think that's doable. Just keep 2 SCVs near it and it'll be fine. Destroy the Loki. Yeah, I couldn't find that. I don't know where that damn thing is. I did look for it, couldn't find it. I might have to redo the mission if someone asks for where the Loki was. I'll redo it.
Well, you fought real good out there, Tychus. Your time in the freezer didn't dull your edge none.
Well, fear and violence always did bring out the best in me.
Have to admit, we always did make a good team.
Yeah. Well, that was until I went to prison and you went legit.
Right.
Little backhanded comment there.
Ever wonder why Minx don't just send him ghosts to kill ya? You've been a thorn in his side for a long time.
Assassinating me just turned me into a martyr. He'd never be rid of me then. He needs to kill my reputation first.
Very good. You think clearly despite your hate for him. Of course, his patience has got limits too. Tread careful, Mr. Reyna. Someone on this ship is already working for Minsk. I can feel it.
Yeah, we know who that is.
So how does the Odin rate as a fighting machine?
Brother, it is the single greatest creation in the history of mankind. Striding around and dispensing righteous fury just about brought a tear to my eye. You just let me know when I can take it out for another spin.
You'll get your chance soon enough, old buddy. Don't you worry.
So we actually kept the Odin.
This is Kate Lockwell reporting from UNN headquarters on Core Hall. Let's go to Donnie Vermillion on special assignment.
Kate, I'm very pleased to be talking to General Horace Warfield. General, I understand that Dominion forces will soon be showing off their newest weapon, the Odin War Machine.
That's correct, Donnie. We'll show the Odin on the streets of Core Hall itself, with full coverage from your fine network.
General, Kate Lockwell here. I've heard rumblings about some sort of logistics trouble with the Odin's debut.
Now, Kate...
It's true, Kate. The Odin was delayed in shipping, and we briefly lost communication with the production facility. But it arrived safely, so we can go ahead with the unveiling.
You heard it here first. The Dominion unveiling new weapons of destruction on the streets of Core Hall.
What is wrong with that woman? Tell her not to interrupt my interviews!
Your boy Horner is actually pulling this off. Gotta say, I'm mighty impressed.
So we never actually kept the Odin. That was like a secret mission. The people on Core Halls don't know about it. Cool. Okay. Armory. Swanee.
So Swan, what are the chances we can build something like that Odin?
You nuts? No way we've got the facilities for mass-producing hardware on that scale.
And here I was thinking you could build anything, Swan.
Cute. All right, forget the scale. I'm gonna figure it out, don't you worry. And I'll come up with something a damn sight more practical than that showpiece. You see if I don't.
Yeah, you tell him, Swan. You tell him, buddy. Alright, 225. What am I getting? No. Not sure yet. Got all those upgrades, that's good. What I might do is I'll go to the canteen. I might buy some mercenaries now.
You came to the right place.
So let's see. Probably not them. Spartan Company. So a couple of Goliaths. Yeah, that'll be good. So the tanks, yep, that will be good. These are Vikings, okay. These are benches. I'll get the Vikings. I think I'm supposed to get all of them. So there's 2 left. But it's good now that we have a lot. Now we've got like a good like in the pinch kind of units. Zerg?
Sir, when Tychus came back aboard the ship, I had the techs run a scan on him.
Matt, you need to get a hobby.
Seriously, sir. His suit contains a sophisticated transponder. If it receives the correct code, it'll shut down all his major organs. That suit is a death trap.
He's got a gun to his head.
And who's got their finger on the trigger? Mobius?
Tychus, what have you gotten yourself into?
See? Tychus screwing around a bit. We should definitely do Coal Hole first.
We have the Odin. Now we can use it to spearhead our takeover of the UNN studios on Core Hall. Once the Odin has taken out their defenses, we'll broadcast our evidence against Mengsk. Figure they'll throw everything they have at us. They'll be talking about this one for years.
Alright, and that will be the next mission we do, guys. So I will catch you in the next one. Till then, bye.